Hello everyone, welcome back. In this module, we will discuss about types of teeth and how to take care of teeth or ways to protect teeth. So let us begin. There are four types of teeth: flat teeth, also called incisors, pointed teeth, canines, premolars, and molars. Let us begin with the first type, that is flat teeth, also known as incisors or incisors. Incisors are the flat teeth present in the front of the mouth. They are four in the upper jaw and four in the lower jaw, and they are like scissors. They are used for biting and cutting the food. Next is canines. Canines are present on the either side of flat teeth. They are used for tearing the food. They are like a fork which is used to tear the food, and there are four canines in total, two in the upper jaw and two in the lower jaw. Next are premolars. They are present at the back of the mouth and they are like a nutcracker. They are broad and have grooves in them, used for chewing and grinding the food. The premolars are 8 in number. Are molars. They are present at the back of the mouth after the premolars. They are total 12 in number, 6 in the upper jaw and 6 in the lower jaw. And their main function is to chew and grind the food. So these are the four different types of teeth. They are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. And there are 16 teeth in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. Means there are 32 teeth in total. We have already studied that teeth play a very important role. So it's very important to take care of teeth. So now let's learn how to take care of teeth. When we eat something, bits of food, they get stuck between the teeth. These bits remain in our mouth for long even after the meal is over. So now let's look what happens to this leftover food. Tiny living things called germs, they start feeding on this food and they start producing acid. This acid is very dangerous. This acid can cause holes in teeth called cavities. They can cause pain and makes it difficult for us to eat our favorite dishes. We take care of our teeth, yes, by brushing. Brushing properly helps to keep teeth clean and healthy. We must brush twice a day. Once in the morning when we get up and second time at night before going to bed. For proper cleaning of the teeth, we must brush our teeth at least for 2 minutes. And we can start the cleaning of our teeth by cleaning the outer surface of teeth by up and down and circular movements of the brush. Then we can open our mouth wide and clean the inner surface of teeth with back and forth strokes. And inner surface gets cleaned by this. Then we can clean the biting surfaces of the teeth with back and forth strokes. In this way, we clean the teeth and rinse our mouth with water. And we have to remember that we should not swallow toothpaste. But only brushing will not keep our teeth healthy. We have to be careful about what we eat and drink, because germs in our mouth, they love sugary food like sweets and cola. So we have to avoid taking sweets or sugary snacks as much as possible. Such food items can cause cavities. We have to eat fruits like apple, guava and vegetables and rinse our mouth after each meal. And we have to visit a dentist for regular dental checkups, or anytime if we feel any problem related to our teeth, we should visit a dentist for dental checkup. Eating a proper diet that is rich in calcium, having food like eggs, milk and milk products for strong teeth. Eating healthy and fiber-rich food for breakfast, lunch and dinner is must. And we have to drink at least 6 glasses of water every day. So in this way, we can keep our teeth healthy, and we have to clean our tongue for removing the germs. So in this way, we can protect our teeth from decay and fall. The white outer covering of the teeth is called enamel, and it is the hardest substance in human body. Now the next topic is tongue. Tongue is the soft and movable part that is present inside our mouth. And what are its functions? It is used for tasting, licking and speaking. And it also helps in swallowing. It pushes the food into the food pipe. We have already discussed the different types of taste that a tongue is sensitive to in class 3. But let us recall, the back part of the tongue, it is sensitive to bitter taste. The sides are sensitive to sour and salty, and the tip of the tongue, it picks up the sweet taste. So these are the 4 different types of tastes. And along with teeth and tongue, there are 3 pairs of salivary glands in our mouth. These are the main function of salivary glands is to secrete saliva. Salivary glands secrete saliva, and this saliva helps to make the food soft. So this was all about today. I hope you enjoyed it. And in the next module, we shall discuss about digestion of food. So till then, thank you and have a good time.